Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a stunning resin coaster mold with the gold flakes, black acrylic and a beautiful floating powder effect. Let's get started. This video has 3 steps. Now we are taking our first step, which is mixing resin. Here I am using 2:1 ratio of resin. I have measured out my resin and hardener, 2 parts resin and the 1 part hardener. Now it's time to mix our resin. When mixing resin, make sure it's stirred thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape the sides and the bottom to ensure everything is combined. And this step is crucial for a perfect finish. Once your resin is clear and bubble free, it's ready. Now I am going to divide this into 3 separate cups for the different effects. So yes, in the second step, which is basically preparing the colors, let's work on the gold flakes. I am adding some resin into this cup with the gold flakes and giving it a good stir. Once the flakes are evenly mixed, I will add a bit more resin to balance it out properly. After completing my first cup, I am moving to the second cup, in which I am adding black acrylic paint into the resin and mixing it properly. Now look at the rich deep black color. After adding acrylic, I am adding the powder, which is mica powder for shimmer, and stir it all together. Finally, shifting to my third cup, in which I am adding floating powder into the resin and then stir it well to activate the unique floating effect, and trust me, this will create an eye-catching finish. Now moving to our last and the third step, which is pouring the resin. So just pour it. Now it's time for the fun part. Because it's pouring, I will start with black resin, which is basically a deep rich color, and then next I am pouring the floating resin for that magical dispersed look you can see. Now finally I am adding gold flakes resin for the touch of elegance. Then again I am adding my remaining black resin for filling the mold properly, and then doing some decorations with my medium. After that I am using hair dryer, with basically instead of using the heat gun to spread the resin evenly. The dryer gives you better control and avoids overheating. Now let's add some decorative details using a toothpick. I am creating a swirls and patterns to blend the colors beautifully. So that's all. Our resin coaster mold is almost complete. Let it cure for 24 to 48 hours. You will have a gorgeous customized piece for your home or for as a gift. If you really enjoy this video, so yes, please subscribe my channel for more and creative ideas. Thank you.